The island nation of Madagascar has taken a raft of measures to rein in rising inflation due to internal and external factors. The measures included the subsidy made by the Malagasy state on the pump price of fuel and the massive import of rice to cushion the rise in the price of rice in the local market. The current inflation in Madagascar is believed to be driven by insufficient local production, an increase in sea freight costs, a rise in fuel prices in the international market, and the impact of the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, among others.